Attention please, it was a super busy week in the AI world. Many updates made headlines and grabbed people's attention, whether it's talk about Sora killers, Chat GPT-5, or the young angry man Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI. You must be super curious, so let's break down all of the latest AI news from the past weeks. Basically, there are a lot of AI video generators that have emerged as strong alternatives to OpenAI's Sora. No doubt, each generator provides unique features and capabilities that may suit different needs, but now the latest AI video generator is introduced, which is predicted much better as compared to Sora. We know about Sora competitors like VDU by the Chinese company Shanggu, and also Google's VO, but Sora is still better now. This new video generator called Kling is the Sora killer because of its super realistic results. The founder claims that you can generate up to 2 minutes of video at 30 frames per second and full HD of 180p. As you can see the prompt, which is written in Chinese. Don't worry, for it you can English translation. Another amazing news is coming from the world of AI. OpenAI is currently developing GPT-5, which promises to significantly advance over its predecessors, such as the GPT-4 and GPT-4.5 models. Chat GPT-5 will be a language model that helps to communicate with a person. With its ability to understand intent and fulfill users' requirements, ChatGPT is already making waves in the technology industry. Well, this latest model makes it feel like you are communicating with a person rather than a machine. With its ability to understand intent and fulfill users' needs, ChatGPT is already making waves in the technology industry. Moreover, GPT-5 will be the 5th iteration of the GPT, which shows a massive leap in the field of natural language processing. This model will have the ability to understand and generate human-like text. That's why it has the potential to revolutionize the way to interact with machines and automate various language-based tasks. Not only this, GPT-5 will also solve difficult problems with greater accuracy with the help of its broader general knowledge and problem-solving abilities. It is also expected that ChatGPT-5 will also have the ability to significantly increase in parameters compared to GPT-4, but exact figures are not confirmed. Speculation suggests it might have around 10 times the parameter count of GPT-4. So it will never be wrong to say that GPT-5 will improve multimodal capabilities, like better handling of speech, images, and possibly video. This latest news will also shock you because Elon Musk has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, because Musk is claiming it has strayed from its original mission. However, the majority believes that Musk dropped a lawsuit against OpenAI for no given reason. However, Elon Musk's lawsuit alleges that OpenAI has shifted its focus from being a non-profit dedicated to the betterment of humanity to prioritizing profit, especially through its significant partnership with Microsoft. He also claims that this change betrays the foundational agreement to keep OpenAI's technology freely available to the public. Well, Musk's feud with OpenAI has been going on for quite some time, which started when he claimed that the company deviated from its purpose and turned to a profit-oriented approach. We all know that Musk is one of the co-founders of OpenAI, but he was not satisfied with it, as he thought the firm set out in 2015 to develop AI to benefit humanity as a non-profit. That's why he left OpenAI's board of directors in 2018, when the firm's approach allegedly became more closed source and for profit under the influence of Microsoft. After that, Musk filed a lawsuit against OpenAI at the end of February to return to its founding principles. But a twist came to this controversy when OpenAI rejected Musk's claims and said he attempted to gain full control of the firm and merge it with Tesla, which was turned down by OpenAI executives, resulting in Musk's withdrawing his financial support. Of course, that was an unexpected and a huge blame on Musk. After that, OpenAI released a blog post on March 5th named OpenAI and Elon Musk, revealing Musk's emails, after which Musk's case against the firm was withdrawn Wednesday without a stated reason, one day before the hearing. Well, what do you say Musk is right on his own, or OpenAI is rightly exposing Elon Musk? Well, if you liked this interesting video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can stay tuned for the latest updates. We'll catch you soon. Goodbye for now.